Yes, curl is very important for us to do. We do curls like every other day. You do curls. Normally, I started like with 50 pounds. I think someone's at the door real quick. Let me get this real quick. Follow me, camera. Follow me. Oh, I got some package from Amazon. Yeah, I ordered some stuff from Amazon here. Yeah, I ordered some exercise equipment from Amazon. So I just guess they came. I was going to do the curl video, but listen, let me open these. Let me open these real quick and see what it is. I don't remember what some of these are. Okay, I think this one was like a gear block, like when you're doing like push-ups. It's like you know those old military push-up thing that you do. These are them, but these like a square one. It's my first time seeing it. Let me just open it so you could show you what it looked like. I never used it before, so I'm just gonna demonstrate real quick. Yeah, so I ordered like a week ago, and then just now got here. Um, Give me a second here. I might have to cut this. Here we go. Yep. So these are them right here. These are like the push-up blocks that I ordered from Amazon. That's what they look like. They call beer blocks. So like, what these are for? Like when you do push-ups, you put these on the ground like so. My first time using it, so you put them on the ground like this. They're real comfortable. They're real comfortable. Cause like when I do push-ups, right, my hand is stiff. You know what I'm saying? Cause like I work out a lot, my hand is stiff, and it won't go all the way back like that. So sometimes I need something like a piece of wood or something when I do push-ups. So these comes in handy right here. You just put your hands on it, just like this, curve. You know, it give you a nice area, and you just really do your push up. You could push up like real deep, all the way down and up like this. Yeah, so these just came in the mail by Amazon, and this other thing, this box right here. I think I ordered these. I ordered these just do like push-ups, like deep push-ups and stuff like that. I ordered these for, because like when you do like regular push-ups, after a while, I mean, you get used to it. So I ordered this ladder. This regular. Yep. I'm gonna do like a next video of me using this. Like I said, this is just like a unboxing for right now. I did not know that they was gonna come so quick in the mail. This is just like a regular ladder. This is a regular ladder. And the reason for the ladder is like I put my leg up to elevate my legs so I could get like a deeper. Wow, it's pretty light. So the reasons for it, because I use it with these right here. The reason for it, right? If my legs is up, I get more like the muscle, like your particular muscle, get more workout, the upper traps and stuff like that. So that's why I do it. So like regular push-ups, you know, your foot is always on the ground like that. But with the ladder, you put the ladder. I'm gonna make a video of this right here. Put the ladder. You put your foot up, just like this. and get like a more deeper, see, legs elevated, just like this, and get more out of it. Because like when I do like push-ups, my body get used to it over time. My body get used to it. So I need like more challenging and stuff like that. So that's why I bought these beer blocks right here and this ladder right here. So it could go all the way up to the top, just like this. Oh, okay. That's a challenge right there. So that's the reason for me getting these. I'm gonna put these in the description below. You don't have to get them, but I got these just to make it more difficult for me. These are called beer blocks right here. I'm gonna put them in the description below, so you can go ahead and get them. You could get these right here. The ladder, if you want to get it, you could get the ladder. You don't have to get it. Like if you have a chair or a bench or anything like that, you put your legs up on. But I just got these because of this 3-step. It's like more difficulty. That's why I got this ladder right here. But I'm gonna put both in the description below for you to get it. And that's it. That's my quick unboxing video right there. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.